In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set availability based on specific days. This is especially useful if you use Calendly and you don't want the same working hours every single day, or if your schedule changes depending on the day of the week. First, log into your Calendly account and go to your main scheduling page. At the top right, look for the option to create a new event type. Click on Create. This is where you start defining the type of meeting you want people to book with you. Next, choose the one-on-one option. A one-on-one event type is perfect when you're meeting with a single person at a time, whether it's a client, a colleague, or a prospect. Once you select this, Calendly will open the editor for that specific event type. Inside the event type editor, look for the tab or section labeled Availability. Go ahead and click on Availability. This is the area where you tell Calendly exactly when you're open for bookings for this particular event, separate from any other event types you might have. By default, you'll see something called working hours default. This is Calendly's standard schedule that may already be applied to your account. Click on working hours default so you can change it. We don't want to use the same hours across all days. We're going to customize them. From the drop-down or the options that appear, choose Custom Schedule. Clicking on Custom Schedule lets you set specific availability for certain days or even different time blocks within the same day. This is ideal if, for example, you only want to take calls on Mondays and Wednesdays, or if your Friday hours are shorter. Once you've selected a custom schedule, look for the option that says plus hours and click on it. This allows you to add one or more time ranges for each day you want to be available. For instance, you might set 9 to o'clock AM to 12 and 12 PM, and then another block from 2 PM to 5 o'clock PM on a particular day. After you click plus hours, use the drop-downs or time fields that appear to select the exact days and time ranges you want. Take a moment to make sure the time zone is correct and that the times reflect when you actually want people to book with you. When you're happy with your selections, click on Apply. This saves your custom schedule to that specific event type. From now on, anyone using that event link will only see the days and times you've just set as available.